First, select the indicator, Weiss-Waves volume oscillator by default, and then select Awesome Oscillator. Change the period to size 10. Now I will choose the moving average indicator. Let me set the size of the line. Now this market is in a downtrend, and you can see both indicator and market trend indicate that the next candle can go down. So I placed a put option trade. Let's wait for the result. First, I came into the market and then selected the indicators, and a market I properly set the indicator setting. After that, I analyzed the market and executed a trade with multiple confirmations. In 4 hours chart, in a 1 hour chart, and in 15 minutes the market is bearish. It's accurate according to our analysis. So our trade is in profit. This strategy works in trending markets, so you should be careful using this strategy. Let's check the next market, EUR/USD. In this market, volume is low and the market is not properly in trend. So we try to find a trade in this market. In the 4 hour chart, this market is on the resistance level and the candle is in the seller's control. In the 1 hour chart, the market is the same. We properly analyzed this market. So I placed a put option trade. Both indicators are also indicating the next candle could go down. Let's wait for the result. There I want to tell you that the candlestick pattern also indicates that the next candle will go down. the perfect result according to our analysis. Let me check and analyze the gold market. This market in the 4-hour chart is unpredictable. So I will go back to the NZD CAD pair. This market is in reversal with multiple confirmations. So I placed a put option trade. Let's wait for the result. You can see Wave's volume oscillator also indicates put direction. So I hope you learned today how to set indicators and use them with market trends and also with multiple confirmations and analyses. Perfect result. Follow this strategy step by step and it will good work for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can comment if you have any questions or any problems in the trading business. I will try to answer you. See you in the next video. Happy trading.